Okay. However, yesterday was to the past. Today we want to look to the future.
The way I explain Excel to most people is one size does not fit all, right? What generally happens for Excel is we grow a little bit through the year. As students, again, if they get off track on credits or they, what's going on in their regular school isn't working very well, we look for an alternative way to do that, so they come over. I mean, our ultimate mission would be, if we talk about academically, our ultimate mission is to try to ensure an on-time graduation. We had 7 graduates for year 1, we had 8 year 2, so we increased that. Last year we had 24.
So when a kid finishes a class, we want to promote, support, and show that all steps towards graduation.
We have 4 core teachers, all 4 core are represented, so math, science, social studies, language arts. We have a content expert in the room for each of those classes. I think our growth is a testament to all the work that the teachers are doing. I will always believe that personal interactions and the relationships people have with kids is going to far outweigh any technology we can give them. And that's the reason why I think last year why we had such a good year, because again the teachers were really great at making good connections, really knowing who our kids were and some of the challenges that they face, not just here but outside. That made a huge difference for them as far as the success rate and what we were able to do.